Racing. Racing just started. We have instant break quickly at the start, running by the rail. Situnet, Durgos Bet, then moving up Amazing Gel, Tonic Water, Aim to Please, while Simple Beauty is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have instant, the early leader. Moving up now, what the outside is Amazing Gel, that only inside is Situnet, Durgos Bet, Tonic Water alongside, then Aim to Please, while Simple Beauty still racing in 7.5 mile distance. They traveled very instant by a length and a half. Amazing Gel is right there in second. Tonic Water comes next. Running by the rail comes entry number 1, Situnet. Aim to Please, Durgos Bet comes next. While Simple Beauty is still racing in 7th. And the part turn, the lead now belongs to Amazing Gel. We are Amazing Gel now takes command. Instant in second. Tonic Water comes next. Situnet as they swing for home. We have Amazing Gel this time by about 2 lengths. Instant in second. Early outside Tonic Water with about 100 meters of the race. We have Amazing Gel this time by about 4 lengths, followed by Instant. And finally it's Amazing Gel. Second is Instant, Tonic Water, Situnet, Aim to Please, Durgos Bet, and Simple Beauty.